Okay, it's time for round number 4. Round number 4. So this is our music round. This week is going to be fictional heroes. Fictional heroes. So I'm going to play a piece for you. I want you to tell me the name of the series or the character, and then the original year that it came out, this particular song, or the original year the series came out. And I'm going to give you plus or minus 2 years. Again, even if you can't get the song or the piece, try and, by the sound, if it sounds like it's a 60s piece or sounds very 2010s, have a guess. It's time now for the final round. Final round. Okay, question number 1. Let's have a look. I hope I've not frozen. Sometimes I'm always worried that I've frozen. Okay, question 1. Oh no, I need to put my outfit. Sorry, my DJ outfit. How rude of me. How rude of me. I'm a DJ. What kind of DJ comes along to a music quiz and doesn't wear his DJ outfit? Here we are. Oh. Let me sort my collar out. Come on, Bobby Seagull. You're meant to be a style icon for the nerds. What is this? What is this? There we go. Chicka-chicka-choo. There we go. Mrs. P's got it right. That's what I do every week. It's your chicka-chicka-choo music round. Okay, so question number 1. Question number 1. So that's question number 1. I know Lisa Lewis was panicking. Where was DJ Seagull? It's on my notes. It says here, DJ set glasses. Can't read my own notes. Okay, question number 1. So the name of the series, cartoon or TV, and the year this song came out. The year this song came out. So again, even if you don't know what it is, you can probably guess. It doesn't sound very modern, does it? So there we go. Question number 1. Okay, question number 2. So this one, I think people will find it tricky. It's a personal favourite of mine, but try and guess the year if you can't get the series. Okay, the only clue I'll give you for that one is there's not one character, it's many characters. It's not one character, it's many characters. So then try and guess the year. Try and guess the year. So that's question number 2. Question number 2. Oh, I think Leslie might have the answer on Facebook, but don't reveal it. Don't reveal it to other people, Leslie. Okay, question number 3.
Is he strong? Listen, bud. He's got radioactive blood. Can he swing from a thread? Take a look. Oh, is he strong? Listen, bud. He's got radioactive blood. Can he swing from a thread? Take a look. Oh.
So that's question 3. Identify the series and the year that came out. Oh, Leslie, don't worry. No problems. He's apologizing. I'll delete it just in case anyone finds it. But no worries. No worries at all. Okay, question number 4 is coming up. So again, even if you don't know the year, Leslie, don't apologize. Leslie's apologize. Don't worry, we all make these mistakes. Okay, question number 4, identify the series and the year. So again, if you don't know the series, the year. My cousin's better be getting this right. I can walk down memory lane. Okay, so again, if you're struggling with the what it is, the year is always worth a shout. Always worth a shout. I remember a couple of weeks ago, people are getting like 25, 26 out of 30. I wasn't happy. I was not happy. Thank you, Miss LA. You're enjoying this. Final question. there we go. So there are your 5 questions. So for each of them, identify the series and the year. And I'll give you 2 years either side. 2 years either side. So. So if you're having a great time, please make sure you do share it. So let me before we go through the answers. Oh, I've got to sneeze. Hold on. So next week, actually on Thursday, it's 6 months before Christmas. Can you believe that? 6 months before Christmas. So next Saturday, get your jumpers out. Maybe don't wear it, but I'm doing a special Christmas quiz. How cool is that? Come on. When your friends ask you next weekend, next Monday, what do you do that weekend? You'll be like, yeah, we did Bobby's family-friendly quiz for NHS Christmas special. So get ready. It's going to be Christmas-themed, Christmas primary school questions, Christmas geography questions. I have no idea what that's going to be. Christmas music, number ones maybe. Christmas charades. I'm struggling in that, but I will make it Christmas-themed. I'll even get a Christmas jumper if it's not too hot. So it's going to be Christmas-themed. So here we go for the answers. For the quiz now. Answers. Let's go back now. So question number 1. This was Batman. It's Batman. So the answer is 1966, the year England won the World Cup. Batman. Question number 1. Batman. Okay, question number 2 is... My cousin should recognize it. X-Men. X-Men is 1997. X-Men 1997. Okay, question number 3 was...
Is he strong? Listen, bud. He's got radioactive blood. Can he swing?
Spider-Man, 1967. Catherine loves X-Men. I love the X-Men too. So question 3 was Spider-Man, 1967. Question 4 was... Go Power Rangers. There's Power Rangers, and it was 1994. Power Rangers, 1994. And then the final question for the entire quiz is... Thundercats! Oh! God, the Sword of Omen. They need to make it into a film. So Thundercats, 1985. So let me know your scores. So again, please send me your photos. Tag me in an Insta story, in a Facebook picture. I'd love it, just so I can spread the word for the quiz. Okay. Well, thank you all so much. I've had a great time. Fantastic, great. So see you all next week. Lots of love. I'm Bobby Seagull. We know that by now. This is my quiz for NHS family special. See you all next week. Ta-ra!